Welcome to Cooking with Gerald. On today's episode, I'll be making homemade tater tots. To get started, you're going to need a couple tablespoons of shredded onions. 2 tablespoons is what this is. All right. So I'm going to go ahead and grate my potato. All right, so now that's finished. As you can see, looks like hash brown. You can actually make hash browns this way too. Once you do this, then you would add a little flour in there. And probably an egg white so that they'll stay together, and then just fry them up. All right, so I have that in there. Got it. Also in the ingredients, we're gonna need bacon. I didn't fry any, I just bought some bacon bits. So they cost about the same. Actually, these were cheaper than the actual bacon, but. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a bag of this in here. A bag of bacon. The cheese is gonna be based upon how much you like. If you like it cheesy, you can put a lot. I'm gonna put probably about a cup. That's about a cup, or a cup and a half. And then I'm also gonna do my seasoning. With the seasoning, you season to taste. This is my own little spice blend with garlic powder, onion powder, accent, pepper, and a complete seasoning. This is on complete seasoning. And then I also have another complete seasoning that's different from that one. So, and you want to make sure that you do season this generously. With this, it doesn't have much sodium in it at all. So I can go ahead and use it that way. Then I'm also going to put pepper in there. I love pepper, so I'll put some extra pepper. All right. All right, so I'm going to use my wooden spoon so I can turn this over so I don't smash them all up. Just fold the mixture in there together. All right, now the sour cream is optional. What I'm going to do first is to make sure that the mixture will stick together when I try to form a ball. Yeah, and it does, so I don't need to use any sour cream. So I'm gonna take that out. All right, so now I'm gonna go ahead and roll out the tater tots. But before I do that, I'm actually gonna taste my batter to make sure that it is okay. It tastes okay. I'm going to put a little rosemary in there. This is actually powdered rosemary and powdered thyme. I would say with that about 1/8 of a teaspoon of the fresh or crushed up, because it's very, 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 very powerful. So this is thyme. Just gonna take a pinch, and this is the rosemary. Take a pinch of that. And you want to be very careful because you don't want it to overpower the tater tots. And like I said, this is optional. This is just what I like. And you can add a little parsley if you like to. Also, if you wanted to add some type of protein, like some chicken, either take some leftover chicken, or what you can do too is just get some ground turkey or ground chicken, cook it up, strain it, and then add it to this mixture. Remember the first time I had a homemade tater tot, back about 10 years ago, here in Atlanta, we used to have this restaurant that was new that came to Midtown called Five Napkin Burgers or 5 Fork Napkin Burgers or something like that. And they had they had homemade tater tots, which they were actually pretty darn good. Theirs, they put some type of some type of herb in it because they were actually green. But they were actually really good. And then you can actually select what type of dipping sauce you want to do. You can use regular ketchup. You can make you a little aioli, or you can do it like you're doing a twice baked potato by just getting some sour cream and dipping it in that. Okay, so this is about the size of a tater tot. So I'm gonna go ahead and get all of these together, and I'll be back. Okay, guys, so I am finished. That batch made 25 tater tots. So what I'm going to do now is clean up and then get my baking sheet and some parchment. And what we're going to do is actually put these in the freezer for a couple hours for them to harden up. As you can see, what you want to make sure you do is cover these with plastic as well so that you don't get any uh, odors from anything else that's in the freezer that's going to change the taste of the tater tots. And after these freeze, I'll go ahead and put them in a Ziploc bag, and then I'll be able to take them out whenever I want to have some. Thanks for watching, guys. If you'd like to see more videos like this, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this video, and then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell at the top right-hand corner of the screen so that you're notified each time I do push out another video. Until next time, stay safe.